Very excited today because we finally are completely done with the entire duplex. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. I'm very excited today because we finally are completely done with the entire duplex. Here are the plans, but I don't want to show you too much. We're gonna go outside. I want to give you a full view of everything outside before we actually jump in the house and do the full tour of what we completed. So let's jump outside. Alrighty, y'all, here we are outside with the plans. I just want to say thank you again to House Plan Zone, hpzplans.com. These plans are a reality right here. As you can see behind me, man, this duplex really came together with all the brick, with the posts, with the siding, with the shake right there. And I just absolutely love everything. And this freaking sod, this grass looks beautiful. And again, I want to thank Tower Community Bank for financing this project for me right here. This duplex literally looks so darn great. You can fit 4 cars into these driveways. Absolutely love the spacing over here. I wanted to extend all this so that people that were moving in had room. You know, sometimes you got to park on the street when you're living somewhere. That's probably the most annoying thing. So we got super long driveways. You can see that car right there. You could add another 4.5 cars, to be honest, but I just wanted to get you a nice view of the duplex outside. We will go up into the sky so you can get a view of the area and everything like that before we head inside. So from here on out, let's head up to the sky. Alrighty, y'all, come on inside with me, man. First off, let's acknowledge these beautiful doors right here. Love the accent on this right here. But as we enter into the actual duplex, we got 1,025 square feet per side. This is the nice living room right here. So you can literally get creative, do what you want to do, have your TV right here on a stand, maybe on the wall. It's up to you, maybe a sectional, whatever it is. And then a nice small dining table, maybe that seats about 4 right here, round or square. There's room to work right here. And then we're going to jump into the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the entire duplex. LillianCabinets.com supplied these cabinets right here, which I'm super grateful for. Man, we got pantries right here. We got the stainless steel appliances. We got that refrigerator. We got the oven, the microwave, the dishwasher, and then this nice little island. We're gonna have some bar stools right here. Imagine just waking up in the morning, having some breakfast, maybe some lunch really quickly, jumping over there, entertaining your friends. I mean, you've got room to work. We've got all the soft close cabinets here. I mean, check this out. Boom. That's an ASMR video in itself every time you close a soft close cabinet. But this space right here is amazing. Absolutely love it. We got the black accents with the plumbing. We've got the black light fixtures. I mean, this room right here itself just brings me so much joy. I love cooking. They used to call me Chef Nico, or maybe I called myself Chef Nico, but I absolutely love cooking, so I love being in the kitchen. But come with me, we're gonna go into the guest bathroom over here. Absolutely love how this tile turned out. We've got the hexagon style right here. As you come in, nice mirror on the wall right here. This is a nice space right here, just in case you have maybe 2 kids or something like that. Everybody able to put their stuff on the sides. And this is the insert with the actual bathtub itself. And of course, all the accent pieces being black for the shower towels, and then any of like the toilet paper holders, and of course, all of the stuff that's going on in the shower itself. So, love this bathroom. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorites of this entire duplex, even though it's duplicated on the other side. We're gonna jump into the guest bedroom right here, which honestly could also be the master because you do have a door that leads into that. So we've got a nice closet right here. As you come around, you'll be able to see this is actually pretty spacious. So whatever you need to put in here, I mean, this is good space right here. Absolutely love it. And I'll show you that door on the back side right here as well. So just in case you wanted to stay on this side, this door right here leads right into that bathroom. So Great access, even though it's not private because other people could come into it, still great access, and we're just moving on. We'll go kind of to this back area. I want to show you the other side where the master is. As you walk into here, this is freaking beautiful. Nice spacious room. We've got the fan. Beautiful, black right there with the light in the middle. Guess what? This closet is huge. So as you come around, we'll show you that actual bathroom next, but this closet, look at this. This is like a little baby's room. If you want to rip this thing out right here, man, put a baby crib, you got an extra room right here. Now it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. So this is great. I absolutely love it. Coming into the bathroom right here, love this tile, the gray right here. Love how this granite turned out. The white cabinets right here, the black accented mirror, the plumbing, everything just looks great. Absolutely love it. This is a shower insert right here. You could actually sit down if you want to, kind of relax, maybe take a nap, whatever you got to do when you're taking a shower, and then get up out of here, man. Great stuff. Absolutely love it. And we're going to go to the back over here where the washer and dryer are. Absolutely love this space as well, because now we have a nice little area where you could kind of, you know, do your washing and drying, do all these different things. You've got the nice little cabinet right here. You can fold right here. You can put your towels away. You can put your detergents, your fabric softeners, whatever it is, you've got room for it. And then the back patio. Come on out here with me. Alrighty, y'all. So we're going to jump outside and check out this patio, man. This is some great space. Sitting right here, maybe putting a grill off to the side, having some table area, having some chairs, and then guess what? You look over, no problem. We've got a nice vinyl privacy fence that we installed that gives you that privacy. You see these wires and stuff hanging out right here. This is for where the Wi-Fi will be, so just know that's gonna be taken care of. But beautiful space out here, man. Just having fun in the summertime, even in the winter, maybe having a small little bonfire, having kind of one of those little things where you can do the fire, hang out outside, go back inside, run in, grab a drink, whatever you're doing, you can entertain out here. And as we flip around, you'll be able to see this backyard is pretty darn spacious. I mean, I'll even walk around to this side over here, which it did just rain, so it's a little soggy through here, gloomy in the winter, but check this out, man. This is huge. In the summer, all these leaves start coming in the spring, I'm sorry. Once these leaves start coming in, once the trees start to flourish and bloom, I mean, this is beautiful. And just having all this space back here, absolutely love it. Matter of fact, why don't you come over here? I kind of want them to get a view of the actual duplex from the center line here, kind of seeing what the privacy has for them. I mean, having a family on this side, having some friends on this side, or vice versa, this is beautiful. But what I will do is I will give you a walkthrough of the other side, which is just mirrored basically, but I want you to get some B-roll shots and just kind of see what the entire side of the duplex looks like on that side as we finish out this video. Alrighty, y'all, so here we are on the other side of the duplex, and as I said, it's basically just mirrored. Everything is on the opposite side, but it still looks just as beautiful. We put our hearts and souls into this, man. 4 months to complete this project, and I'm so happy. Me and Paul were out here working, all the subcontractors, everybody that came out, anybody supplying material. I just want to say thank you so much if you're watching this video, and to everybody out there who is viewing this, just know we have more projects on the way. Nikos Property Show is just getting started. We started with my personal house. Now we're on this investment property, and we are only going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. We're going to do bigger things. We're going to do more interesting things, and I can't wait. So regardless, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms at Nikos Property Show on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram if you want short content form. And make sure you check out NikosPropertyShow.com if you haven't yet. Grab some merch. And if you want to get into real estate investment and construction, check out my new course, Nikos-School.teachable.com. You can learn how to get into this and start your real estate portfolio. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.